Gabby's Dollhouse characters as humans. Pandy Paws. Pandy Paws as a human. DJ Catnip. DJ Catnip as a human. Mercat. Mercat as a human. Gabby. Gabby as a human. Cakey. Cakey as a human. Catrat. Catrat as a human. Kitty Fairy. Kitty Fairy as a human. Vera. Vera as a human. Pillow Cat. Pillow Cat as a human. Kitty Narwhal. Kitty Narwhal as a human. Chumsley. Chumsley as a human. DJ Comet. DJ Comet as a human. Carlita. Carlita as a human. Baby Box. Baby Box as a human. Kiko. Kiko as a human. Grandma Gigi. Grandma Gigi as a human. Lulu. Lulu as a human. Gabby's Dollhouse characters and their favorite snacks. Pandy Paws. Veg. DJ Catnip. Prings. Mercat. Salt Veneer. Gabby. Doritos. Cakey. Kamas. Catrat. Munchies. Kitty Fairy. Totopos. Vera. Takis. Pillow Cat. Lay's. Kitty Narwhal. Poppiables. Carlita. Mikos. Baby Box. Weighty. Lulu. Popcorners. Gabby's Dollhouse characters and their favorite drinks. Pandy Paws. Diet Coke. DJ Catnip. 7-Up. Mercat. Anta. Gabby. Monster Energy. Cakey. Bang. Catrat. Gatorade. Kitty Fairy. Poppy. Vera. Grappico. Pillow Cat. Coca-Cola. Kitty Narwhal. Cocktail. Carlita. Delaware Punch. Baby Box. Starbucks Sakura. Lulu. Red Hot.